Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to Saujanya e-learnings. Today we are going to learn about prepositions. Prepositions means a preposition denotes the position that a person or thing occupies in relation to others. Means here we are telling about any person or any objects. Objects means it's a things. So if we are telling about those, and positions means where they are going to be stay. About that we call it as prepositions. It is pre. Pre means before, and position means the place where the persons or things are there, because it is put before the noun. Where we'll keep this preposition? We'll keep before the noun. It means, see for example, the book is on the table. Here we are telling about the book and table. Where is the book? The book is on the table. Table is a thing, no? So, book. Where is the book? It is on the table. On. Here, what is the preposition? On. Means, on means it's a position. On means it is a position. So, I'll tell you some examples like that. So, what are the preposition words? Like in, on, under, between, beside, behind, above, in front. So, I'll show you some examples in this. See here, in. If the ball is inside the table, we call it as in. Here, where is the ball? On the box. Here, where is the ball? Under the box. If it is down, we call it as under. Here, where is the ball? Between. In the middle. Middle means we call it as between. And here, beside. Beside the line. So, we call it as beside. Here, behind. Behind means backside. Behind means backside. Here, where is the ball? Back the lion. And in front. In front means before to us. In front means before to us. Above. Above means up. Above means up. So, these are the some examples regarding the prepositions. Means the positions of the things. Okay. Now, we'll see some worksheets regarding these prepositions. See here, I have given some positions regarding the balls. So, where is the ball here? The ball is on. Means it is on the box. So, it is on. Now, where is the ball here? In the box. In. Now, where is the ball? It is under the box. Under. Now, here where is the ball? Between. Because it is in the middle, no? So, we have to tell between. Now, here where is the ball? Beside. Where is the ball here? Beside. Now, where is the ball here? It is above. Where is the ball? Above. Okay. Now, we'll see one more worksheet. Here. Match the following. See here I have given some pictures and we have to match the following. Here where is the ball? The ball is on the tree. So we have to match to on. Here where is the fish? It is in the pot. So we have to match in. Now where is the ball here? It is under the table. So we have to match to under. And we'll show one more worksheet. Now fill in the blanks. See here I have given some pictures and we have to fill the blanks related to that pictures. The ball is dash the box. Where is the ball? It is on the box. We have to write on. And the kite is dash the tree. Here where is the kite? It is under the tree. So we have to write under. And where is the fish? The fish is dash the pot. The fish is in. It is inside the pot now. So, we have to write in. So, we'll see one more worksheet. Circle the correct preposition. See here I have given some positions to the things. So, we have to check it and we have to circle in this box. Now, where is the apple here? The apple is on the table. So, we have to circle on. Here, where is the ball? The ball is between. Where is the ball? The ball is between the lines. So we have to circle the word between. Here, where is the kite? The kite is under the table. So we have to circle the word under. And where is the ant? The ant is in the bowl. So we have to circle the word in. So parents give different types of worksheet to the children and make them practice. If you are giving more worksheets for them, and we have to more give stress on the words what the topic we are saying. If you are doing like that, they'll know the difference between the words and they'll know the what are the prepositions. Okay, bye.